Hi, this video is about creating array of objects in Java, and that can be achieved three ways. Firstly, using constructors, and second, using method, and third is using object class array. So when I say array of object, this is like my custom class. So I need a array of type shopping cart basically. So since it is my custom class, so I can design it my way. So first way is like using constructor, and so since the class name is shopping cart, I'm creating a constructor in it. So I'm going to create a parameterized constructor. So this class is going to support two things. Since it is shopping cart, I should have an item ID, and I can have item name and item number. So I have my class, and this is my class, and I am having a constructor in it. And now I want an array of class shopping cart. So the syntax is going to be like shopping cart. Um, let's say order, and the variable I'm going to create is order. And since I want an array, so I need to put this square braces and call new operator and the constructor. So I'm going to give size 3. Since it's going to be an array of objects, so you have to give the size here. So my order 1 is going to have operator shopping cart. And now I'm calling the constructor. This time I have to load the values in it. So say my item number is, my first item that I want to purchase will be 1, and mobile phone maybe. So second order is going to be, let's reuse it, copying it. Second charger, and my third item, pen drive. So now we have an array of shopping cart, and it has 3 orders in it. And so if I want to print this, we can use the for loop, type shopping cart, k, and you use this reference variable order, print k dot item. Dot name. So let's print this. So this is the first way, like this method. This was using shopping cart constructor. So next way is going to be, let's remove the constructor. Since I'm using Eclipse, I'm going to use the getter and setter from Eclipse directly. So basically, this is going to create methods for me to get and set the value of item ID and item name. So I'm having a get method that is going to return item ID, and I'm having a set method that is going to set the item ID. Similarly, name, I'm going to set name as well as I'm going to retrieve the name. So you have the shopping cart of size. So if you look at this code, I have my class type is shopping cart, and it is having methods in it. And these methods are going to give me item ID and item name. These two methods, set item name and set item ID, is going to set the name and set the ID. So now I'm reuse. I mean, since I've already declared an order of size 3. So now let's load value into that. Similarly, so 0, an array of 0. New shopping cart. So you're going to set the item in it. What do you do? Order dot order of 1 dot set item ID. I'm gonna keep 1. And order of 0 dot set name. I'm keeping mobile. Close it. So you need to call the reference variable, which is order, and since it is an array, I'm passing 0 and dot operator, and then I'm calling the methods directly. So similarly, I'm passing values for index 1, and I'm passing for index 2. So index 2 is 2, and this is going to be charger, and 3 is going to be pen drive. So now that we have passed values inside it, now we can retrieve them back. So to retrieve them back, all you have to do is we have to call the get method. So order is equals to order of 0 is equals to new. or since it is an array and we are passing it via methods, create new objects for these things. On array of 1, I'm passing these two. And oh no, this is the problem with copy paste. So that's how you do for by passing it via method. And thirdly, we can we can just load the values initially using the wrapper class in Java. So for that, we need object array class. We need object class and create an array out of it. So object array. So objects equals to, we can pass the values directly. Mobile. So wrapper class, I'm passing one in it, and charger, and pen drive. New integer. We can similarly use the for loop like we did for this other two methods. So int object and a variable objects. Print the reference variable of this object, and then this is open here and it is closed, and for loop, and so that is it then. So these are the three ways you can create your own custom class object array. And thank you.